This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Pebble interior, sleeps 4, spare tire kit, oven, TV antenna, Colorado Detector, Skylight, air conditioning, smoke detector, LP detector, slideout, external shower, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is 8,436 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.